Hi friends, I continue to organize what can be organized, and today I will show you how I handle the worksets. I will also tell you how I create worksets and how I apply elements to them. Before you start a collaboration file, you need to define the difficulty of the project in advance, and here I will show all the use cases. We go to the AR tab, we need another, and click the plugin with the Worksets. So here we have two options. First it is checkbox with levels to relocate elements by unique levels, and the second is blocks, also to move elements separately by unique blocks and sections. Or, if you don't select anything before, there will be default worksets. That is, now we will use the simplest of the options suitable for small projects. Click Run. If the file is not collaborative yet, we get this warning, and yes, we have to create it first. When creating, we keep everything as by default. And here we keep everything in the same place. Try to reiterate our plugin. Oh, my fault, last time the window didn't close. It should be added to the to-do list, and I will fix it. And create update again. And also by default we don't add an extra options to the plugin execution. Wait a little. And it's done. Except that worksets are created, also elements should be reassigned according to the rules that are defined in the plugin. So, we have new created worksets for finishings, general, grids, openings, and a workset for reconstruction volume also here. Let's check if everything has been applied properly. As the building volume will constantly mess up the color legend, we will hide it. So, what we see is that we have in blue worksets for the room finishings. In pink color, all main elements of categories which associated with architecture, except for the openings for which have own worksets. But these elements are voids, and it seems that you cannot see. But no, you can see them if we turn on the thickness of the lines, and it will be green. So, what else have we changed? We have moved all the levels to the levels workset, and the grids are also separated. Since we don't have any links, and he didn't create separate worksets for Revit and WG links, but he could have. We need to redo two transactions, and we will try to get worksets with level options. We iterate our plugin again and pick up checkbox levels, which separate for every level. Click Run button. We are getting a report that the operation was successful. So let's check what we have from the second case with level. To the main set name we added a level field with a separator in the string for finishing general openings. And the grid and levels don't have this field. So look at the colors. It is clear that the separation happened also on the levels. Warm and cool pink colors are the main elements on the levels, and green and blue finishings also on different levels. Let's make a disorder of the sets by replacing some of the elements with another set. As a rule, we usually get this, then we randomly choose one of the sets and continue to work on it. Then forget which one it is and we need to fix it. We made a disorder, specifically we moved most of the elements to the AR levels workset. Now we iterate again and everything is back where it should be. Now we will do the same for separating the worksets by blocks. But how does it understand which block is which? For this we need to create a number of sections within the boundaries of which we will place the elements in different blocks. The first section we need to name with a regular expression that will contain a part of the string that identifies the block and accordingly its number. We do the same for all the sections where the elements will be placed. Once again we press the plugin with block options to try how it will work. This is the list of worksets it created by adding a black field to the general one. And we see the same colors when overriding worksets, but in difference from the last time where the separation was horizontally and by levels, here everything is separated vertically and by blocks. And this allows us to open and take the element that we really need for work without loading additional elements for us. Now we'll go through the hardest of cases, then we have to consider both levels and blocks. We press again with checkboxes, and this time we wait more than the first time, because it creates us longer than override elements. Our list has grown a lot, and now we have a separation not only by level but also by blocks. Total for this example we have 6 general worksets, 6 for finishings and 6 for openings. This ensures great efficiency on large projects or even not large ones, but if this is a structured discipline. What else I wanted to add? Sometimes we have cases when we need to create one or more worksets that will be outside this list, and we will add elements there. We must be sure that they will not be overwritten into the main ones. That is, for example, all windows always in workset are general. But for some reason I need to separate it for today in additional workset, and I will create a workset of a unique name, for example extra or something else. After all, we put in all windows to new workset, extra, and the next step we need to turn on parameter exceptions, which will filter these elements for the next iterations. As you can see, the windows have been redefined with new colors, and if we make a disorder again and reiterate the plugin, we will see that the main elements are in their order and the window remain in unique worksets. And this will be so until they uncheck the parameter. I hope you found my point of view and solution to the problem interesting and useful. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.